pondered the enigmatic dance of time and fate? What if, hidden within the folds of your so-called wasted years, there lies a secret so profound that it could alter your understanding of existence itself? Prepare to dive into the mysteries of the universe's silent force of restoration. This force, constantly working behind the curtains of our daily struggles, orchestrates a symphony of balance and harmony, quietly mending the frayed edges of our lives. Consider this. Throughout our journey, the universe communicates with us through subtle signs. Unexpected opportunities that pop up just when we think all hope is lost, chance encounters that reroute the paths we walk, and moments of unexpected clarity that pierce through our confusion. These are not mere coincidences, but whispers from the cosmos, urging us to trust the grand tapestry of life. In many ancient spiritual and philosophical traditions, this concept of cosmic restoration is celebrated. It teaches us to embrace the natural flow of existence, reassuring us that everything unfolds for a reason. Even in the darkest nights of our souls, a flicker of hope remains, promising that soon all will be set right. As we navigate through our days, we often stumble upon instances of unexpected abundance. This might manifest as a sudden financial windfall or an unexpected act of kindness that lifts our spirits. Such moments are not just happenstances, but signals from the universe, affirming its ongoing commitment to our well-being. It's as if the universe is whispering, "I remember you, and here is my gift." But true abundance isn't confined to material wealth. It encompasses a richer tapestry of experiences, joyful moments, acts of generosity, and serendipitous encounters that enrich our lives. When we share this abundance with others, it becomes a profound act of restoration, shifting our perspective from scarcity to a plentiful existence where everyone thrives. This journey of restoration is not just about receiving. It is also about giving and growing. It invites us to participate in a grander scheme, where each act of kindness we bestow adds to the universal balance. Each step forward we take in faith confirms our trust in the unseen forces that guide us. So, let us step boldly into the mystery, armed with hope and open hearts, ready to witness the magic of the universe's restorative power. Embracing the cosmic dance, a journey of hope, peace, and spiritual awakening. Can you imagine a future so bright that it outshines the shadows of your past? Welcome to the second chapter of our profound journey, where the cosmos itself conspires to guide you towards a reality brimming with potential and transformative power. This isn't just wishful thinking. It's about unlocking the formidable force of hope within you, a force that has propelled countless souls to transcend their darkest hours and emerge radiant and renewed. In the inspiring words from Inner Engineering, A Yogi's Guide to Joy, Sadhguru teaches us that aligning our spirit with the universe isn't about seeking external changes, but nurturing an inner revolution. He illustrates that every individual possesses an innate capability to foster hope and manifest their own destinies, aligning their personal desires with the cosmic will. Imagine aligning yourself so perfectly with the universe's rhythm that every challenge becomes a note in the beautiful melody of your life. But what does it mean to truly align with the universe's grand design? It means embracing the interconnectedness of all existence, recognizing that each of our actions reverberates across the vast expanse of the cosmos, as detailed in Adiyogi, the source of yoga. This alignment isn't just philosophical. It's a practical pathway to inner peace and serenity amidst life's turbulence. It's about finding calm in the chaos, knowing deeply that your life's dance is perfectly choreographed by the universe's unseen hand. This journey of restoration invites a profound spiritual awakening, a theme deeply explored in mystics' musings. Here, Sadhguru discusses the awakening of our spiritual selves, a process that slowly peels away the layers of material illusions to reveal the shimmering truth of the cosmos. As you delve deeper into your spiritual quest, you unearth an extraordinary connection to the divine, a connection that fills the voids of your soul with enlightenment and peace. As our connection deepens, we experience a profound sense of inner serenity, described in 3 truths of well-being. This isn't a serenity that ebbs and flows with the tides of external circumstances, but a steadfast companion, nurturing us through life's peaks and valleys. It signals that we are not merely walking the path laid out for us, but that we are the path, integral parts of a larger cosmic narrative. Embrace this journey, for it is here, in the fusion of hope, alignment, and spiritual exploration, that your true potential is unlocked. As you surrender to the cosmic flow, remember that every moment of alignment, every step taken in awareness, contributes to the grand tapestry of the universe. Let this knowledge comfort you, for in the grand scheme, every regret is transformed and every heartache is mended. Welcome to the dance of the cosmos, where you are both the dancer and the dance. Have you ever paused amidst the chaos of regret and the shadows it casts across your life, and pondered whether there might be a beacon of light at the end of this tumultuous tunnel? Part 3 of our journey dives deep into the transformative power of overcoming regret, a necessary passage to healing and ultimate redemption. Nothing in life is to be feared, it is only to be understood, Marie Curie once declared. This profound truth guides us as we confront the specters of guilt, shame, and self-doubt. These specters hold us back, not just from living in the moment, but from forging a path toward a luminous future. However, it is through self-compassion that we begin the process of liberating ourselves from these burdens. By acknowledging our past errors and forgiving ourselves, we ignite the flames of renewal and reclaim the power to shape our destiny. Carl Jung's insight, "I am not what happened to me, I am what I choose to become," echoes through our strategy for managing regret. We shift our focus from the past to the present and the future, channeling our energy into crafting the life we yearn for, guided by the hard-earned lessons of our past experiences. Mindfulness, self-reflection, and cultivating gratitude are not just strategies but lifelines that help us release the grip of regret and embrace a mindset of restoration. As we journey further, we find that clarity of thought begins to crystallize. Like the lifting of morning fog, the veils of confusion and doubt start to disappear, allowing us to see our lives and the world with newfound clarity. This enhanced perspective empowers us to connect more deeply with our inner wisdom, intuition, and guidance. Decisions align more closely with our highest good, transforming what once seemed insurmountable obstacles into stepping stones towards growth and enlightenment. In this realm of increased clarity, Rumi's words resonate deeply. The wound is the place where the light enters you. Each setback, each challenge we face, is not merely an obstacle but an opening, a crack through which light and wisdom enter our lives. It is here, in the embrace of life's trials, that we find profound healing, emotional, physical, and spiritual. This healing is not just a testament to our resilience, but to the universe's endless capacity to restore and renew. Thus, we come to realize that our journey of restoration is not just about returning to a former state, but about reaching new heights of understanding and fulfillment. The path ahead is clear. By embracing our experiences, acknowledging our growth, and accepting the universe's guidance, we move forward with grace and confidence, forever changed but unequivocally whole. Dawning of destiny, navigating the new horizons of self-discovery and transformation. Imagine standing at the threshold of a new era in your life, where each breath is a fresh start, and every heartbeat echoes a universe brimming with possibilities. Welcome to the final chapter of our journey, an exploration into the transformative power of embracing new beginnings and the profound impact of renewal on our souls. Dawning of destiny is not just a metaphor, but a tangible reality for those who dare to let go of their past and leap into the embrace of the unknown. It is here, in the uncharted waters of life, where we find the true essence of growth and joy. As we step boldly into these new beginnings, we are not just moving forward. We are being reborn, reshaped by the hands of destiny, and guided by the subtle cues of the universe. Through intuition and serendipity, the universe extends its hand, offering us the keys to paths that align with our highest good. Each step we take is a dance with destiny, a symphony of synchronicity that nudges us gently towards our deepest desires and dreams. This path is not merely about recovery, it is about discovery, a rediscovery of our inner selves, our latent potentials, and our overarching purpose. In this journey of continuous evolution and growth, we cultivate a mindset of abundance and gratitude. We learn to see the world not as a series of insurmountable challenges, but as a landscape ripe with opportunities. By shifting our perspective from scarcity to abundance, we unlock the gates to a life where joy, connection, and transformation are not just possible, but inevitable. The path to restoration is a journey, not a destination. It requires courage, resilience, and a profound willingness to confront and embrace our fears and limitations. Through introspection and self-reflection, we unearth insights that guide us towards our true purpose, fueling a journey that is as much about becoming as it is about overcoming. Thank you for joining me on this enlightening journey. If this exploration into the heart of restoration and renewal resonated with you, please share it with someone dear. Your support enables us to continue delivering content that awakens and inspires. Thank you for being a part of our community, a space where wisdom blooms and spirits soar. May your life be filled with boundless blessings and profound fulfillment. Until next time, embrace your journey, cherish your transformations, and stay tuned for more insights into the magnificent dance of life.